Now, I wanted to relate this question, which we talked about just now on AI. It was the same situation 4 5 years back with the blockchain,
Hmm.
and
Yes.
then suddenly we started talking about that every problem of the world can be solved through the blockchain. And
Well,
you you are implementing, you are doing it. So how I want your some comments on that, how you
okay.
see this transition.
Again, you're absolutely right. A few years back, it was blockchain everything. You wanted an ice cream? Oh my God, I'm going to have an NFT proving that it's really my ice cream. Completely
True.
pointless. What is a blockchain? Blockchain is a decentralized ledger of truth, of ground truth. How is that achieved? In its most simplest sense, it's achieved by having blocks of information that contain three data types. One being the address, if you will, of the code or the block that existed before it, the data inside of it, and then the address of the block after it, which means that it's very hard to hack because you'd have to change all of the addresses all the way back to the very first block, also known as a Genesis block. Cool. That basically means blockchain is not good for criminality, despite how people claim it is, because it basically shows everything forever. And it's also not great for speed, which is what everybody's trying to use it for, because you're looking at something continuously all of the time, every time. So the way we use blockchain is actually for absolutely what it's needed for, which is when we need to have these distributed ledgers of information which have to have high levels of truth and transparency. So using blockchain for voting in elections, perfect. Not perfect for governments because it means they can't interfere with the election, of course. Using blockchain to prove how much money you've earned for taxation, perfect. Again, not great for high wealth individuals and governments because it means they can't hide where the money is. So again, blockchain is actually brilliant for not a lot of the people who claim they want to use it. If you see what I mean. Same thing as with AI. So if you're going to use blockchain, use it for what it's designed for: non-repudiability, authenticity, transparency, accountability. Use it for those things. Don't use it just to connect to your car with an NFT because it's pointless. I'm looking at you, Mercedes. Yeah, having an NFT to open and close your car. Really? I mean, just right, really? This is unfortunately, this is the problem we have with the 21st century.
Got it.
People get
Got it,
blinded.
David. Yeah, yeah.
By tech. They get blinded by it, unfortunately.
Yes, that's unfortunate, but that's how we are living in a world.